Hi everybody and welcome to VLADA'S place. Today I wanted to share with you how to make fresh poke, and I wanted to do this right. So much so that I went fishing for fresh tuna. This is a serious deep water fishing. But dolphins could care less, and they came along just for the fun. There were so many and they were so beautiful, I almost forgot all about fishing. However, I'm known for being a girl who stays on her task, and my job today was to cut the bait for tuna. 6 hours later, I was still cutting the bait, but there was no fresh tuna in sight. Hours of trying and not a single fish. Luckily, my friend caught one and he was willing to share. I'm running quickly to the store to get some ingredients and then we can start. Pre-cut about 4 cups of fresh tuna and set it in the fridge to cool. In a separate bowl, we're going to mix half a cup of poke sauce and a half a cup of mirin rice seasoning. Thinly slice about 4 sticks of green onions and add it to the mixture. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil and a tablespoon of roasted sesame seeds, a salt per taste, and a juice of 1 lime. Mix it all really well and combine it with the cold tuna. As soon as you combine two, you want to put the dish back in the fridge because you want to serve this dish very cold. With fish chilling, we're going to move on to cutting some cucumber, avocado, and radishes. It would be helpful if your vegetables are ripe, firm, and chilled as well. So to these vegetables, I'm just going to add a little bit of rice vinegar and a touch more of the sesame oil. Okay, now we're ready to serve. So my daughter doesn't like ginger, so I'm gonna make a dish for her without ginger in it. And you see we're using this butter dish just because it looks so neat. And then I'm gonna add a delicious tuna and top it off with a little bit of chow mein noodles. And this is how you eat good and stay healthy. And now that I serve my daughter, I'm gonna add some fresh ginger to what's left. All while I'm making poke for me and my daughter because we want to eat healthy and light. There's my son and he's refusing to eat girlish food. He's making pizza. So pretty soon we're gonna have a second option in case we get a little hungry after having food. Thank you so much for spending time with us today. I'm very passionate about healthy and happy kids, that I started a charitable organization which is focused on bringing families back to dining table for a quality family time and a healthy homemade meal. We all could use a little bit more of a quality family time, and my nonprofit organization is all about that. Thank you all for watching, and as we say goodbye, enjoy your family and your kids while they're with you, and take good care of yourself and those around you.